Today, I am going to tell you how to remove excess salt from cooked vegetables. I am going to tell you a list of 6 tips. Listen till the end of the video so that all the tips are clear to you and you can make use of whichever tip you feel is convenient for you. Tip number 1. After finding that the salt is excess in the cooked vegetable, immediately transfer the cooked vegetables onto a strainer and run it under the fresh water tap. Whatever excess salt is coated over the cooked vegetables will just get washed away. Tip number 2. When you feel that even after doing this, if the salt is little excess, you can run a drizzle of or squeeze some lemon juice on the cooked vegetables and leave it to rest for some time. By this method, all the excess salt would have been absorbed by the lemon juice. Tip number 3. You can add a ladle of curd to the cooked excess salt vegetable, by which also the excess salt can be adjusted. In place of lemon juice, we can also use amchur powder or white vinegar, which is more suitable for cooking. If you are making some sabji, then and using this cooked vegetables, you can try washing and then later add some tomato puree without salt. This puree without salt, when mixed with the other salty vegetables, pulls all the excess salt from the cooked vegetables and it gets adjusted very well.